Hi, I'm Megan, a teaching and learning coordinator at Kami, and I'm going to show you how you can use Kami app class view to close the feedback loop. So my problem in my classroom always was that I could spend hours giving students great feedback, but if I've given it to them after they've already moved on, they're not going to go back into their assignment to check it out and see, and make changes to their work. They've already submitted it. And in some instances, they already have a score. So they don't care. If they're like, I'm happy with my score, I'm going to move on. So Kami app class view allows you to give students immediate in the moment feedback so that they can revise their work as they go. So I'm going to jump in and show you what this looks like. So here's my Kami assignment that I made, and I have my student work here that shows I can see this live real time as they're completing the problems. So I can scroll through, check out all my students. I can even sort how I see them, or I can filter it. So some of the students already have those turned in. I can maybe wait to give them feedback, or if they're still in front of me, I maybe prioritize them because I want them to go back and check their work. Maybe these assigned students and they haven't turned it in indicates to me that they're struggling a little bit. So maybe those are the ones I want to take a look at first. So this loads all of their work. I can zoom in or out to see more. And I can tell where students are, where they're stuck. So for example, Anne-Marie here might be stuck on figuring this problem out. This is where you can use the Kami tools to provide her with immediate guidance. So I can use the comment tools and I can provide, a voice comment that asks maybe, hey, are you stuck on this problem? How can I help? And I can leave that there for her. And then Anne-Marie can actually come in and respond right away. This pops up right on her screen. Maybe though, I know that she's having some trouble reading this in English. So perhaps she can do the math, but English is the struggle for her. I can come up here to the understand menu and I can select translate. Now I can select the text of the problem and I can select the language I need to translate it into for her. So I'm going to select French. And now it automatically generates that translation for me. I can create a comment for her, just like my audio comment, or I can copy it to the clipboard if I wanted to, and I can paste it in a text box. I love this option because I can then cover her work or cover the previous option, and her problem still looks exactly like everyone else's. So it's something that is not easy it's easy to hide extra support that students are getting. But also I love the comment option because now she can compare the English version to the French version. So she can see both of those languages. I can also use some of the other tools in here if I needed to, for example, re-level some of this. So if I wanted to change the reading level here and make it level 3 instead of level 5, this happens immediately. And again, I have all the same options. I can have it read aloud. I can create a comment for it. I can create a text box. So for this, I want to pop the comment on here, and now that comment immediately shows up for Anne-Marie, and she can see the other option, and it might help her understand that a little bit. This allows you to not only monitor progress to see where students are across your class, you can prioritize the students that need attention first, and you can check whether they've acted on their feedback. So they could see your feedback immediately. You can see if they've added a response. You can see if they've then been able to move on and go through their work. And you can just keep that, feedback cycle moving. Notice, respond, revise, follow up with them.